Talk to us a little bit about, what some of your agents have done, and off the air, you kind of shared with me how, they're increasing their book of business just based on, this social responsibility, or, giving back to their community, if you will.
Absolutely. So they do things like volunteer on boards. We attend, rallies for local politicians and really learn about what issues are and how, maybe those needs aren't exactly being met in the community. And then we go out on a grassroots effort and look for ways that we can engage with our time, talent, and treasures. So I have agents who have pursued education, like getting their yoga teacher training certification so that they can do donation yoga. So they're holding, yoga, classes and just, offering, for $10 a class or whatever people want to donate above that. And 100% of that is going back into a grassroots effort in the community, like helping fleet farmers or, helping in some way with, putting, helping with teachers in classrooms and, all sorts of ways that we're finding from other groups that we're involved in, really learning about what is needed in our community. The other thing they're doing is things like volunteering with local organizations that, like equine horse therapy, so helping, bring people, people with mental or physical handicaps, together with horses and that, and volunteering and helping with that environment. So they also professional boards in the community in various ways, various nonprofit organizations, and engage and help create awareness and more, education to fundraise and, get people engaged and involved.